All right, today we're gonna bring a light bulb fan, and this one is it's a light bulb, all right? That the connection that you require. It comes with the cap in here. It has an extension for those that have high ceilings or maybe have indecent lights or recessed lights. You could set it up either way. So there's an extension for it. Now out of the box, they give you the actual propeller separate because you could actually take them off and just use this as a regular light. Now for the remote, it's very simple. You got power on, lighting setting, your fan settings, and different waves of fans, and then you could set up hourly, 1 hour all the way to and 3 and all the way to 4 hours. All right, so not bad. It's going to require 2 AAA batteries. I'm going to set it up and see how well it works. Just to let you guys know, look at this. It tells you upside up. All right, upside. All right, upside. Just make sure you do upside, and they're just slide in. That's it. All right, here we have the light bulb set up with the fan. All right, so make sure swing it once, make sure it's not going to hit anything when you're going to set it up. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna set up the controller here. You guys can see. All right, right now we have the lighting. We could turn off the light completely. We could turn on the fan completely on. And then we could turn it off again. The same button to turn it off and on. Now we're gonna set up the lighting effect. So we could dim it down, go down all the way down, and then you could go back up, dimming it. And then we're gonna change it from plus to minus or opposite way. You can do that. So we're gonna go plus, change it to light, daylight. You guys can see that. And then on the fan, when you set up the fans, you can set up different wave modes right here. All right, we're gonna turn it off. And it's very simple to set up the fan and play it. All you have to do is screw it in, and that's pretty much it. So very simple.